Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I will be unboxing my January 2019 Bellabox. So this is the first Bellabox for this year, and as the parcel came yesterday, and yesterday was Friday, 18th of January. So yeah, today is Saturday, 19th of January, and I am unboxing my January Bellabox, and let's see what I got in this box. I literally don't remember what's in this box, but I saw one of the girls' video yesterday and I got an idea of what are the things in this box, but I literally don't know what is inside this box. So let's open. So it is usually a blue box like this. So if you guys don't know what Bellabox is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to sample size products to try. If you like it, then you can buy, and all the details about this box I will link it below in the description box. And if you are interested, this box is available in Australia and New Zealand only, I think, but I don't know about other countries, but I think it's available in Australia and New Zealand only. So let's open and see. I'm so excited to open this box. And okay, first I can see is this card. It says January 2019 Happy New Year. So this is the New Year's card. And as usual, there is all details about the products behind this card. So the first product is this So Susan liquid matte full size liquid lipstick. I think it's a liquid lipstick. Oh wow. So before sending this box, I think they were preparing the box. They sent an email out to everyone who have subscribed to choose the color of the lipstick. But me, I was so late that the time I clicked on that email, it was like expired, like the time was over, so I couldn't choose the color. So let's see what color they have sent me. And this box looks like this. Let me off this light. It looks like this. And at the back it has all the details about this lipstick. So this is a full size product, and it's a long wear liquid lipstick, and it's by So Susan Cosmetic. And let's open. Oh, this is really a cool color, and it's Raisin Flesh. So this is the lipstick, and the color is Raisin Flesh, and this is 5 ml, I think. Yeah, and it's also cruelty free. And let's see the color. Okay, here. Wow, it's really cool. This is like one of my kind of color which I love to wear for every day. Just look at it. It's literally so beautiful, and we'll see it later when it dries, it gets dark or not. And it's a pure matte, and the brush is really good. It's like other liquid lipstick brush, I think, Wet n Wild one. Not Wet n Wild, I think Colourpop liquid lipstick, Anastasia, I think, similar. So let's see what it says about this lipstick. It says Pekka of Beauties. This highly pigmented liquid lipstick gives brilliant moisture without the stickiness and long-lasting color without the flakiness. So formulated with super ingredients, this will keep your lips hydrated, smooth and supple. You will be receiving one of the following: pumpkin, raisin flesh or chocolate berry. So I literally love this color. Bellabox has chose this for me and I really liked it. And this lipstick 5 ml retails for USD $14 and available in sawsusan.com. So this lipstick is sold in US, I think, and like you can buy it from sawsusan.com and it's in US dollars, so $14 USD. So this was the first full size product, and the second product is this Mellow Cosmetics gel lip pencil, a gel lip pencil. And you guys know how much I love Mellow Cosmetics product. I love one of their eyeliner, a pen eyeliner. I have been using a lot and it's almost gone, so yeah, I will be buying it again. And that pen eyeliner is literally so beautiful, so pigmented, long lasting. So this is a lip pencil crayon and looks like this. The packaging looks like this, and it says here all the details about the products. And this is 0.9 gram, and it says here designed and developed in New Zealand. Follow Mellow Cosmetics on Instagram. So this is designed in New Zealand. So this is how it looks. And this is the color. So let's swatch. Oh, it's broken. But anyway, sharpen it. So this is the color. It's really good, and the color is really cool for summertime, springtime. And this lip pencil is like $16, available in mellowcosmetics.com.au. It says it's a full-size product. Every lipstick masterpiece needs a partner in crime. Prep, shape and define your lips with an instant release of rich, saturated color with this ultra smooth, creamy lip pencil. Get ready for the long-lasting pout perfection. So you will be receiving one of 7 shades. So this shade is cool, but I should have received a darker shade just because I got lots of these shades in my collection. So I think I should have got a darker shades, but it's okay. So the next product is this Black Express charcoal wipes. Wipes, why not? We all need wipes for every day. Yeah, I do need. I can't live without wipes. So this is a Black Express charcoal wipes. Removes makeup and dirt for clear skin instantly. So this is a 5-pack, and it says made from skincare heaven. This super soft instantly removes dirt and makeup, pre-soaked with a detoxifying charcoal infused formula. It is perfect for cleansing on the go. So like if you want to cleanse on the go, then this is best wipes, just because it has those kind of charcoal, I think, in it. I have charcoal wipes. I use it. It's like that. It feels like you are exfoliating at the same time when you wipe away your makeup and any dirts from your skin. So it feels like it's exfoliating at the same time as when you wipe it off. So yeah, this product 25-pack retails for $5.99 at Priceline. So let's move on. The next product is Marc Daniels Professional Silky Smooth Coconut with Nourishing Coconut Oil Nourishing Treatment. Oh, Marc Daniels Professional Silky Smooth Coconut with Nourishing Coconut Oil Nourishing Treatment. So it's a hair treatment, and I just love this product. I can't wait to try. It's a hair treatment, and it says say goodbye to bad hair days with Mark Daniels Professional curated offering of salon-worthy hair care treatments. All of their products are vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and have zero added parabens and or sulfates, and meaning less irritation for your scalp and less damage for your locks. So 150 ml retails for $14.95, and I will be getting this product just because nowadays I am using lots of treatment on my hair, just because I'm growing out my hair. I want longer hair, so I love to do treatments at home. And like this product, 150 ml retails for $14.95, and this is only 25 ml sample size product. And like go to markdaniels.com.au to see how you can get a free full size treatment. Oh wow, that's awesome. So it's only valued at $14.95, which is like you can buy it, and I think you can buy it from markdaniels.com.au. Yeah. So the next product is this Cancer Council Face Day Wear Moisturizer Matte Invisible SPF 50+. So this product is Face Day Wear Moisturizer Matte Invisible. So ultra lightweight hydrating sunscreen lotion with very high UV protection to help prevent the visible signs of aging. And this product is so good for summertime, and like you have to wear SPF all day for this kind of weather. So yeah, I am wearing sunscreen every day. Like it doesn't matter if I go somewhere or not, I wear sunscreen in case I go out. So yeah, it's suitable for sensitive skin, which is so good. So this is 15 ml sample size. A full size 75 ml of this product retails for $14.95 and available at Kohl's, Woolworths, Chemist Warehouse, and Priceline, which is so good. And it looks like this. So let's see the lipstick. It is dry now. See the color? It looks really cool. Like it's pure matte. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you wish to see my future videos. And also join me on all social media sites. All the links are below in the description box. And don't forget to hit that notification bell beside that subscribe button, so you will be notified each time when I upload a new video. So yeah, I will catch you later in my next video. Bye.